Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here in front of you all to discuss a very important topic. Today we are here to make another new series of the Dhamakedar session. So, our first lesson of the Dhamakedar session is how to live an extraordinary life. Okay, I actually know this fact that you must have watched many of the videos in which they tell you how to live a life with extraordinary efforts and how to make your life extraordinary and how to be like that extraordinary person. Yes, definitely you must have watched. This video is something unique, you can say. Yes, because I'm not talking about how can you make or how can you build that. I'm talking about how to live that is actually being built. Then the most important question comes around is who is responsible for building that extraordinary life that you say is created and we have to live? So, my dear fellow friends, I'm here to guide you all. The question arrives, who is the one who created that extraordinary life, isn't it? So let me tell you all one thing that's clear, that an extraordinary life lived by you is only created by you. You are the main person who is responsible for all the things that are happening in your life. So once you need extraordinary life, my dear friend, you need to create an extraordinary yourself. For living that life, you need to be extraordinary. First of all, extraordinary life is not something that you build, okay? It's something that you actually bleed. From what? From your hard work, from your sacrifices, from all the disciplined laws that you have cleared or cracked. Those people who are living extraordinary life are living just by their own selves. They are not doing anything for creating those extraordinary life. My dear fellow friends, this is what they have done in their past life and you have not seen that, and you are just seeing the extraordinary life that they have created among themselves. You can just see their lives. You cannot see the sacrifices they have made to make that extraordinary life. Extraordinary life is not being built. Like it's not something like हमने पत्थर ले लिए and we are just constructing it, building it. No. It's something that you have to bleed through your own tears, through your own blood. If you want to live an extraordinary life, you should know how to bleed that life, how to make that life, isn't it? And to make that life, you have to bleed. You have to bleed through your tears, through your sacrifices, and the uncountable discipline laws that you have to crack. Something. Everyone among us, right? Everyone, like, मैं सोचती हूँ ऐसा कि आई एम स्पेशल, आई हैव समथिंग स्पेशल इन माई सेल्फ, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू ऑल्सो मस्ट हैव थॉट दिस थिंग कि समथिंग इज स्पेशल इन मी ऑल्सो. सो whatsoever is special in you, just prove it to yourself. This is the second point. Yes, prove it to yourself that how I'm special, how am I special, how am I unique from all the other people who are surrounded by me. कैसे मैं सबसे अलग हूँ, कैसे मैं सबसे अलग दिखता हूँ, या अलग पर्सनैलिटी है मेरी, या फिर मैं अलग दिखाता हूँ अपने आप को, कैसे मैं अलग, लाइक I am a one. I am standing in front of many people in a crowd and one person spots me out. How do they spots me out? Through my beauty, through my passion towards my goal, or something other than that. So you have to be very clear about the thing that makes you special. Third point is, you cannot live an extraordinary life until and unless you are yourself an ordinary person. एक extraordinary life कौन ही deserve करेगा? Do you know? एक ऐसा बंदा जो कि खुद ऑर्डिनरी नहीं हो. ऑब्वियसली isn't it? क्योंकि एक अगर ऐसे बंदे को हम 500 रुपये दे दें जिसको पता ही नहीं है कि उसे कहाँ पे उसे खर्च करना है, कहाँ पे उसे सेव करना है, सो विल इट बी रिक्वायर्ड? नो, इट्स नॉट. आपको क्या करना है? मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल अमंग अस ओनली, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ अस वांट वॉच कि भाई मुझे ना एक आलिशान सी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया सी ज़िंदगी जीनी है, इन विच आई विल बी द लाइक powerful person of this whole damn planet, and I'm going to live this life with myself only, and I'm going to be known by every other person. My dear friend, let's come back to reality. You want to live an extraordinary life by doing these ordinary things that you are made to do. That isn't something like irony? If your calendar looks like the calendar of the others, your future will also look like them. Yes. If your calendar is like, it's not like something कि आपको calendar में कुछ changes करने की ज़रूरत है, because it's a slang that is used कि अगर आपके days आपके साथ रहने वाले या फिर आपके साथ खाने पीने वाले या फिर something like that, आपके दोस्त आपके यार जो कि एक ordinary person है, but you think that you are extraordinary, और उनकी तरह आपके अगर आपके भी दिन जा रहे हैं, so don't be so happy because आपकी भी life उनकी तरह ordinary ही होने वाली है. There is nothing extra is going to happen. The extra that's going to create is only you. If you want to actually live an extraordinary life, you also have to be extraordinary person, isn't it? So you have to create a day or calendar like this that is different from all the other people around you. You should not blame or you should not complain कि भाई मेरे साथ तो ऐसे ही होता है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू वॉच द वेब सीरीज और आई कैन नॉट वॉच रील्स और आई कैन नॉट डू एनी थिंग ऑफ माई लाइक मुझे पसंद है वो तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ. डोंट ब्लेम दैट बिकॉज यू चूज द लाइफ योर सेल्फ. ये आपके साथ हो रहा है, ये कुछ आपने ही सोचा है, आपने ही अपने लिए क्रिएट करा है दैट आई विल बी लाइक दैट, आई विल बी लाइक दैट. सो अब जब आपने अपने माइंड को इस लेवल पर पहुंचा लिया है, सो यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल for making that mind know, for making your body and your whole soul to that point, okay? Because you actually deserve it. क्योंकि हर कोई सोच ऐसे ही नहीं आ जाती है. If you think that you are extraordinary, yes, you are. Cost of an extraordinary life, my dear friend, is your ego. Yes, I know your all ego is very fragile. It will just break in few seconds. But what's important is कि आप अपने ईगो को तोड़ दो. यस, फिर ईगो सेज कि ये नहीं होगा. कैसे नहीं होगा? हाउ विल इट डजंट वर्क, इजंट इट? देखो, इमेजिन करो कि आपकी 10th और 12th के बोर्ड्स थे और आपके किसी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स की आपने तैयारी करी थी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आपके रिश्तेदार या फिर आपके जानने वालों ने लाइक समथिंग उन्होंने ऐसा बोला होगा कि ये तो कर ही नहीं पाएगा या ये तो कर ही नहीं कर पाएगी, एंड शी इज़ मेड टू डू ऑल ऑफ द कोर्स ऑफ द समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड यू टुक इट टू योर ईगो कि भाई अब तू देख होता है क्या. दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू गेट इन योर सेल्फ अगेन. यस, यू नीड टू गेट बैक इन टू योर प्राइम टू बी the extraordinary you. Destroy the ego of your mind that thinks कि वो ज़्यादा smart है आपसे. Then you are going to win, my dear friend. Yes, you are going to win. You will win this life and you will be extraordinary because nobody, because we are not in control. हम control में नहीं रहते हैं. We are just so much involved in Instagram reels or YouTube shorts or something inside the mobile or outside the mobile कि हमें पता ही नहीं रहता हमें करना क्या है. Once you control your mind कि मुझे किस टाइम पे क्या करना है, your mind will like frustrate कि भाई क्या हो रहा है, तू क्यों मुझे कंट्रोल कर रहा है. I'm the one who was controlling you. Why are you controlling me? तब उसका ईगो टूट जाएगा and then begins your game. The point I want you to know, don't wait for a perfect moment. Just pick up a moment and make it perfect. Yes, this is a good quote for good people, you know, but for extraordinary people, don't, because there is something new. Don't try to balance your life. Now, just set it up on fire. Yes, you need to set it up on fire. You need to just blow it up. अब तो आपको करना ही है, because you have thought what none of them have ever thought. You have thought to be extraordinary, not them. So you have to work like an extraordinary, not them. Just keep this in your mind. Once you have to live that extraordinary life now, just think you have to be extraordinary in order to live an extraordinary life. With this, we come to an end of this video. I hope you all liked my video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos and share it with your friends. Of course, you need to just grab them all up and you have to grow together, isn't it? So yeah, with this we come to an end, and comment down if you need more lessons on this series and stay connected for more. Love you all. Bye. Take care.